Okay, so I've got a Batman classic TV series Villain's Lair playset. There you go, you can see roughly what you get in the back there. See, it's designed for the McFarlane classic series figures. There is also a Batman set. I don't own any of those figures. Let's open it up. See there. Got the whole backdrop there. This is basically 5 pieces. So we have a series of already filled case. Good start, they don't stand up. These are pretty good for just being in the background kind of thing. Table. And nothing overly fantastic. It's just pretty average looking plastic, to be honest. They're meant to be so you can set up your figures. Like this has nothing in the back. Table. Looking computer thing. Pretty much what you got there. There's a vase, a cat. Not sure if that's meant to be a cat statue or that. Oh, that's a bad idea. They don't want to stand up, do they? On my flat surface. Doesn't bode well. There's also a umbrella. Hold it up. And a water jug on a plate. I don't see much of that. The plate's quite flimsy, so it doesn't actually hold. It hasn't held any of that sort of shape. There we are, that is a Villain Lair.